Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to block bad IP addresses using our firewall. Log into our panel and select the Firewall menu item from the side menu. Click on Add Firewall Rule button to create a firewall rule. In this example, we will create a rule to block traffic from bad IP addresses. Let's start by adding details to our new rule and name it Bad IP Addresses. Now, scroll down to Conditions. Conditions are patterns used in the firewall to detect a specific visitor. We offer a wide range of conditions that you can use. From the drop-down list, select the IP address. Next, let's enter the IP addresses that we wish to block. Note that you can add as many IP addresses as you want. We can also block whole subnets if we want to. So let's add 2 of them to this rule as well. Click on the OR button on the right. The OR means that if any of the IP addresses or subnets match the current visitor, the firewall will execute the rule action. When you are satisfied with your firewall rule conditions, select the block option, because we wish to block all traffic that matches the condition. The default action will be used if our set conditions aren't met. Click on the Create button to create your firewall rule. Now we have a firewall rule, but it is not executed if it is not associated with a firewall policy. So, let's create one. Navigate to the Policies tab and click on the Add Firewall policy. A dialog box will open. Enter your policy's name, for example, Bad Bots. Then select the Bad IP Addresses rule we just created. Next, we have to select where to apply that policy. We can choose a domain group, or we can enter domains individually. Let's choose our domain group. Please keep in mind that if you select a domain group, this policy will be applied to every single domain in that domain group. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.